Craving that perfect scoop of homemade ice cream but tired of the messy process? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Ninja Creamy Scoop and Swirl. The Ninja Creamy Scoop and Swirl ice cream maker immediately caught my eye with its sleek silver finish and a price point of $361.13. If you want an ice cream maker that can whip up a variety of frozen treats effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Ninja Creamy boasts 13 unique one-touch programs, allowing you to create everything from classic ice cream to low-calorie soft serve. It has a capacity of 16 ounces, which is great for small gatherings or family nights. The standout feature is the Creamify technology, which transforms your frozen base into smooth, creamy soft serve at lightning speed. Plus, with the ability to customize ingredients for low-sugar or dairy-free options, you can cater to any dietary need. It's no wonder this machine has over 30,000 sales in the past month. Now, some people complained about the price tag being on the higher side. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about making ice cream at home and want multiple functionalities in one machine, this investment pays off in quality and convenience. It's perfect for families wanting to enjoy healthier or customized desserts together. This is perfect for you if you're a health-conscious ice cream lover or someone who enjoys hosting dessert parties. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, but considering the features, it offers great value for its price. Product number 2, Ninja NC301 Creamy. Next up, we have the Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker priced at $232.19. The compact size and unique features made this one stand out. If you want to create different frozen treats with minimal effort, this one's got you covered. What's really appealing about the NC301 is its 7 one-touch programs. With an 800-watt motor, it efficiently processes your ingredients, breaking them down into a smooth and creamy texture. You can even customize flavors by mixing in your favorite chocolates or fruits, making it perfect for kids, parties, or family movie nights. And the respin function, it softens your treats to your desired creaminess, which is great for those who prefer a softer texture. However, some users have pointed out that it only comes with 2-pint containers, which might be a limitation if you're planning to make bigger batches. But honestly, if you're using it for smaller family servings or a quick treat, it's not a deal breaker at all. Plus, with a compact design, it won't take up much counter space. This is perfect for you if you love variety in your frozen desserts but have limited kitchen space. Skip this one if you need larger capacity, but its price is reasonable for the features it provides. Product number 3, Cuisinart Ice 30 BCP1. The Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker machine, priced at $167.63, offers a classic approach to homemade frozen desserts. If you're looking for a reliable machine that can make ice cream and sorbet without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. With its double-insulated freezer bowl, this machine can produce up to 2 quarts of ice cream in under 30 minutes. The brushed stainless steel design is not only stylish but also durable. Plus, the large ingredient spout allows for easy mixing of your favorite add-ins, so you can personalize your treats effortlessly. With a limited 3-year warranty, you can also have peace of mind about your purchase. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, it's a trade-off for its efficiency. If you want quick results, a little noise may be something you can overlook. Just remember, it's making delicious ice cream. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-fuss ice cream maker that delivers results. Skip this one if you prefer a machine with more advanced features, but for the price, it's a solid option. Product number 4, Cuisinart Ice 21P1. Next, we have the Cuisinart Ice 21P1 priced at $116.03. This one caught my attention for its simplicity and quick operation. If you want a budget-friendly ice cream maker that doesn't compromise on quality, this could be your go-to. The Ice 21P1 can produce up to 1.5 quarts of your favorite frozen delicacies in just 20 minutes. Its double-insulated freezer bowl means you don't need ice, which simplifies the whole process. The Easy Lock transparent lid makes adding ingredients a breeze, and the 3-year warranty adds an extra layer of reassurance. Some users have pointed out that it may require pre-freezing the bowl for optimal results. While this might be inconvenient for spontaneous cravings, it's easy to plan ahead and prepare the bowl in advance for delicious treats whenever you want. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly ice cream maker without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you want advanced features, but it's an excellent entry-level option. Product number 5, Ninja Creami Deluxe. Finally, let's talk about the Ninja Creami Deluxe ice cream maker priced at $257.93. This one promises to take your frozen treat game to the next level. If you want to make larger batches of ice cream or sorbet, this one's definitely worth considering. With an XL capacity of 3 pounds, this machine is designed for families or gatherings. The advanced Creamify technology ensures smooth textures, while the 5 new programs let you create a variety of frozen treats. You can even make 2 different flavor mixes in one go, which is perfect for those who can't decide on just one flavor. The easy-to-use design means you can prepare your base, freeze it overnight, and enjoy delicious treats the next day. However, some users have mentioned that it's a bit bulkier than other models, which could be a drawback for those with limited kitchen space. But if space isn't an issue for you, the extra capacity and features make it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you host family gatherings or want to make large quantities of dessert. Skip this one if counter space is a concern, but it's a great option for those looking to indulge in homemade ice cream. So there you have it, 5 fantastic ice cream makers that cater to different needs and preferences. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ninja Creami Scoop and Swirl because of its versatility and ability to customize flavors. On the flip side, I'd suggest avoiding the Cuisinart Ice 21P1 if you're looking for advanced features, as it's quite basic. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.